Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Do you throw things away without thinking? What if I told you that your old jars, boxes, and bottles could become something amazing? Let's explore 10 creative ways to reuse everyday items at home and help the earth while having fun. We can turn old jars into storage containers for pencils or spices. Use shoe boxes to keep toys or supplies or small clothes. Old t-shirts can become cleaning cloths or shopping bags. Decorate tin cans and use them as plant pots or pen holders. Make fun crafts using toilet paper rolls or cereal boxes. Glass bottles can become pretty vases or lights with fairy bulbs. Turn used gift wraps into bookmarks or greeting cards. Egg cartons are great for storing beads or starting seedlings. Use broken mugs as quirky planters or holders for keys. Reusing things helps us save money and protect the earth. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.